Frustrated with your Kia Telluride's USB port? Yeah, it's a common issue. Here's what you need to know. First things first, double check that your USB cable and device are working. Try them on another port or in a different car if you can. Sometimes it's just a bad cable. Next, look for debris or dust in the port. Gently clean it out with a toothpick or some compressed air. Still not working? Try restarting your car's infotainment system by turning the car off, waiting a minute, and starting it again. If your Telluride has multiple USB ports, test each one. Sometimes, only one port is faulty. Also, some ports are for charging only, not for data, so if you're trying to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, make sure your device is plugged into the main data port, usually up front. Still stuck? Check your car's fuse box. Your owner's manual will show you which fuse controls the USB ports. If a fuse is blown, replace it with one of the same rating. If nothing works, it might be time to visit your Kia dealer. Sometimes the port itself or the wiring needs professional help. So next time your USB port acts up, you'll know exactly what to check. Stay charged and drive safe.